In this video, I will show you how to draw a semicircle in Microsoft PowerPoint. So to draw a semicircle, you need to go to Insert tab, then click on Shape. Here under Basic Shapes, you will find Arc tool. Click on it. Now drag it. Now select the bottom anchor point and drag it to the left. Now again go to Insert tab, then click on Shape. Here you will find the straight line under Lines, then draw a line up to the bottom and adjust it. If you want to increase the line width, just select the line, then you will see the shape outline. From here you can increase the width, select it, then go to shape outline, then under width select the width and you can adjust it a little bit. Now you have to select the both shape. Just press shift and select the both. Now right click and go to group, click on group, then rotate it. See, it looks like a semicircle. The another method is go to insert, then click on shape. Here you see partial circle under basic shapes. Click on it. Now press shift and drag it. Select top anchor point and drag it to the left until it looks like a semicircle. Here you see it looks like a semicircle. Now if you want to draw a unfilled circle, just click on shape fill and select no fill. By following these easy methods, you can draw a semicircle in Microsoft PowerPoint.